Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gangle from the Amazing Digital Circus. So let's get started. To draw cute Gangle, let's first start by drawing her face mask. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to start right here and just go down. Nice and deep, and then we're going to just go around to create our U. And since it's easier for my hand, I'm just going to go across approximately about right here. Just drag this point across. It's easier for my hand to come down on this side, so I'm going to come about right here and draw the same thing. So just play around with it. If you're drawing small enough, you can definitely just make it one big stroke to create your bottom of a U. So there, now there's one big U, and I'm going to come up here and connect it with a curve. So let's go right here, just connect it with a soft curve all the way across. There. And now that we have that shape in, let's go ahead and draw the eyes and the mouth. So I'm going to come deep in, so let's say about halfway mask, right next to the sides right here. I'm going to start, and I'm going to go up to say about right here, and come right back down. And then I'm going to connect it with a curve to make these happy eyes. So I'm going to do the same thing, come right next to it, say about this much, and go up just like the other side, come down, and once again connect with a curve. And then the mouth. So about right here, I'm going to go up with a curve and connect it. There, nice and happy. And I'll come in here really quick to shade this all in. So as you all know, if you love this character, there's a happy and a sad version. But today I'm just going to draw the happy version, but if you want to draw the sad version, just change up the eyes and the mouth, of course, and add a tear. But the body should be the same. Now that we have the face in, let's draw the body, which I feel is like the most complicated part. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home so that you can do some erasing, because this part is, we're going to be basically drawing the ribbon in a spiral. So the easiest way I found, hopefully you feel that way too, is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to start to draw these curls. So I come down right in the center, and as I come about right here, I'm going to angle it a little bit right there, and then loop around. And then I'm going to come in again for another loop, and this one I'm going to make a little bit wider, just a little bit wider, just to give the body some more depth. And then come out, and right here once again I'm going to angle it and come right back in, and then do the same thing again, and this time I'm going to maybe come in a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to draw 4 of them just to not make it too complicated. And once again, about right here, I'm going to angle and bring it in. And one more. So this one's going to be a little bit smaller. Angle, in, and a last one right here. And then I'm just going to zigzag and bring it in. There. So that's the goal, just to put it right underneath the mask, and then just making this one a little bit wider so that it just balances out the body a little bit better. And then from there we're going to come in here and taper a curve that comes right to this angle that we're creating right here. And so same thing on each one of these. We're going to curve and come to our angle, to the top of that angle right there. Once again, same thing, and one more. There. So now that we have that in, we can come in here if you like. If you want to make it a little bit more complicated, come in here with another curve. So just imagine like a ribbon and it's turning. And if you have enough space like this one right here, you would see this curve right here, because we want the ribbon to be about the same width, and then it would come down and curve in. So hopefully you're seeing, so like the same thing here. If you have enough space, put a curve and another curve. And same thing here. And curve it in. So like say if you made this loop very thin, you probably wouldn't need to put a curve in there, because then it, well, this one barely, right? So maybe like right here, if anything. But if I had made that thinner, I wouldn't need to draw this curve. There. Okay, so hopefully then we're gonna come in here, and I need to erase all those little marks right here. So like I said, hopefully you're using a pencil. It's just much easier to draw it this way than trying to go around it. There. Okay, so now that we have, go in there and fix it a little bit later, but now that we have that main part in, the legs and arms are much simpler. So I'm going to come about right here and give a little cut out, and then we're just going to draw the legs down. So about right here, we're going to come down, we're going to give it a little curve, come down to about right there, and let's thicken it up. And I'm just going to follow whatever curve I made for the legs, and then about right here, I'm going to bring it out again and give it a little cut for the ribbon for the foot. And so let's do the same thing here about right here. Just want to make sure we have our legs nicely under the body, so about right here. Come down, and once again for the foot, just bring it down, give it a little cut right here for the ribbon. Follow whatever curve you made, and then down here, just bring it out for the foot. There. And then for the arms, let's come about right here. Right where the mask is, and I'm just going to bring this down and stay about right here, bring it out. Give it a little cut once again, and then we're just going to go all the way back up. There. And if you like, you can even come in here if you want to make it a little bit more complicated and add a curve right there. So it looks like it's just the ribbon turned. Okay, and then the other hand, so say about right here, I'm just going to bring it down, maybe just bring it into like the hip area and out. So once again, just going to follow and give that little notch. There. For the hands, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Gangle from the Amazing Digital Circus. It's a little bit complicated here, but hopefully I helped you today to draw this a lot easier. The center part of the body here, the torso. And if I did help you and I made this fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.